Hi there folks, and welcome back to my channel, and for this video I'm going to be paying a visit to Linn Park, which is one of the parks in Glasgow. It's one of the ones that's not that well known, or it's not that well known outside Glasgow, I don't think. And yeah, from the photos that I've seen of it, does actually look really pretty inside. And I've actually, the way the park is, I've actually had to park up a wee side road in order to kind of find somewhere to safely leave the car. But I'll be able to walk down and walk into the park from the main road. I will try and see if I can post some information about the park in the description bar below if anyone's wanting to come and visit. And the weather today is absolutely glorious. Barely a cloud in the sky. The sun's splitting the skies and it's just really nice and warm outside. So perfect day to come out and go for a wee explore. So I'm just gonna grab my things in a minute and head on out. Before I do, if you are enjoying my channel, if you are enjoying my videos, if you can click on the subscriber button, click on that notification bell, leave some likes, leave some comments, it's always really appreciated. And if you'd like to support the channel further, I will post a link to the channel's coffee.com page in the description bar below and in a pinned comment in the comment section. So see you all when I get outside. Yeah, I was just walking down from my car. It's greeted by this sight, some horses in the field. I think that's actually part of the park itself. And they've actually got a wee Shetland pony down there. It's a wee kind of brown one. This is the entrance to Linn Park. So it's the White Cat River that goes through the park. So this would be the White Cat River that's just down here. And this is also the same river that goes through Paisley and through Pollock Park. Yeah, so I've just managed to come down from that way. There's this wee shingle beach right on the river. And again, the wild garlic is out in abundance. Loads of it up there. And it's just that time of year. It's a really cute little quaint bridge over there that goes over the river. I think it's referred to as a halfpenny bridge. Not too sure why. Yeah, I think there might be a waterfall down that way, so probably try and explore further along that way. Oh, that's the waterfall I knew that was in the park. And just slightly further up, just beyond the waterfall, there's actually so many tadpoles in the water. As in, it's like a swarm of them almost. Try to see if I can get closer. Well, that is me back from my little wander around Linn Park, and it is definitely somewhere that is popular with folks who are out for walking the dogs, out again just walking themselves. So it is, and I think it's quite a popular place for where like people who live nearby to take their kids off to explore. And while I was out, I did notice there was some bits in the river where there was kind of, it looked, at first I thought it was tadpoles. I think I mentioned earlier on in this video that I thought I could see the tadpoles in the water, but I think it might have been little baby brown salmon. But I did actually spot a frog in the river as well, just sunning itself in the water. So there's definitely plenty of wildlife in there as well. So it's a great place like to go if you're wanting to kind of maybe see some wildlife, explore, just be surrounded by nature. And the fact that, yeah, it is surrounded by a lot of housing, but it's still a wee kind of natural oasis, a wee oasis just in the middle of suburbia really, and it's just a really beautiful place to go and explore. And I think it was one of those kind of parks that I'd vaguely known about, but I'd never actually visited. And so this is the first time I've been here, and yeah, I'm glad that I came. I'm happy that I went for a wee adventure, a wee explore. So definitely a park that I would recommend going and visiting if you're wanting to kind of go out and go for a walk and be surrounded by nature. So hopefully you will all have enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye bye.